Welcome to DJH Prestige and Sports, where we've just acquired this beautiful looking Ford Focus ST-3, top of the range, finished in absolutely lovely gorgeous white, gloss black alloy wheels, privacy glass to the rear, park distance control, full ST body styling, twin exhaust, absolutely gorgeous looking car. Boot area is lovely, got the rear parcel shelf, full leather interior, all embossed with a Recaro, electric windows, electric mirrors, Recaro ST seats, electric seats, ST kick plates. It's done 44,667 miles. Got cruise control, push start, air conditioning, heated steering wheel, an extra for you, heated seats, 3 stages. All the bars working all up there. Just start that. Add your satellite navigation map up. Reverse camera. USB port. Absolutely lovely. Satellite navigation. Seats are in lovely condition. Bluetooth connectivity obviously as well. DJH has full dealer facilities including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.